your world is truly capable. If you do or don't, that up to you. Most of the beginners, they get confused what to do, how to do. Where should they start? At the very beginning of their learning journey in English. If you think you're the beginner of learning English, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll be sharing how you can start your learning English. So, coming up. First of all, listen and listen to English as much as you can. Listen every day, listen to songs, listen to podcasts, watch movies, watch television, watch YouTube videos, watch news. Listen to every day, make habits and listen. During your listening, must pay attention on pace of the speakers, pronunciation of the speakers, stress on the speakers, then the style of the speakers, body language of the speakers. You have a lot of things to learn from the speakers during your listening English. You must focus on the pronunciation, whatever you listen to every day. So if you focus on the pronunciation, act and apply the pronunciation in your own speaking. If you act and apply the pronunciation in your own speaking, your speaking should be entirely changed. Make reading habit every day. Every day read. Read stories, you may read articles, newspapers, books you prefer most. During your reading, find out the words you are not familiar with. Find the word meanings. Keep note and take it down. Practice on the words. You may get the same words in other areas of your reading. It would be really comfy whenever you will get the familiar word in other areas. According to this way, you have tremendous options to improve your reading. So, start now. Make conversation partners and speak every day. Every day speak. Every day speak. You should make at least 3 conversation partners. The first one should be beginner level, second one should be intermediate level, and the third one or the final one should be advanced level speakers. Make it casual. Speak every day. Speak regularly. Speak consistently. If you speak with them regularly, just wait to obtain an outstanding results at the end of the week or at the end of the month. Next one is writing. Write every day. Every day write. Every day write. Write English at least 1 page every day or every night. In your writing, use the vocabulary you got unfamiliar in your reading. Use that. Make sentences in your writing. You can get a range of grammatical structures, idiomatic phrases from reading that you should use in your writing. Write every day or every night. Next, avoid mistakes. Avoid translation your own language into English. Always think in English. Remember, everybody makes mistake at their very beginning of the journey of learning English. Focus on your goal and just keep going. Finally, spend time every day. Every day spend time on listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Keep in mind, this is a journey. You have to win this journey. So dream big. Make your dream into reality by spending time every single day, every single night. Practice, practice, and practice. Believe you can do. It's possible for you. Believe you can speak. You can be a good speaker in English. Stay motivated. You should be staying motivated. So never give up. Learn every day. Think something to happen this week. Dare you to make something happen this week. Wish you a happy journey of your learning English. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe on my channel to get upcoming all videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.